Oh my god! Oh my god! What's purple? What's purple?
Mr.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Davey. About to get ready to go to my brother's party. Today we're celebrating his 31st birthday, and of course me and Groove are running late. I know, but yeah, we're gonna make it happen. Make sure that we do get there. I think everybody already left us, but we're running late because I had to figure out who was gonna watch Zai, and I don't let anybody watch my child. So my sister volunteered that she was gonna watch him because my mother has somewhere to be. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm about to prime my face with milk and magnesium, and the reason why is because I have very oily skin, especially in my T-zone. So I want to make sure that my makeup stays intact for the night. And sorry if it seems like I'm rushing. I'm just running really late. I still have to do my hair and all. I'm totally not prepared because I wanted to go for a certain look. I don't even know what I'm wearing. We'll just see how it turns out once I'm done, right? So I'm just priming my face right now, and then right after I'm done priming my face, I'm gonna move on to my brows while the milk and magnesia dries, and I'm making sure that I put a nice even coat on because I don't have the time to be sweating my makeup up, because I do plan on enjoying my night. I haven't really been out like that since my son was born. So soon we'll be having his first birthday. I do plan on recording the process in which I'm gonna be making a lot of decoration items for his birthday. So yeah, stay tuned. I will be posting that up. Let me know if you want to see that, because if it's not something that's interesting, you're like, oh, that's boring, I guess I won't put it up. But okay, I don't have that much makeup. I literally haven't been wearing makeup like the way I used to. Mommy Mo gets you in that. You don't have the time to be like, ooh, I gotta do my makeup. It is what it is. Oh, so all the items that I am using for this video, I'm gonna make sure that I list them in the description box. So if you want to know, I'll definitely put it down there. And if you have any questions, feel free to write to me in the comment section. I will definitely respond. So yeah, let's get started. So I use this brush. I got it from my local beauty supply store. Perfect Brow Brush, AB020. Yeah, I guess you guys can see that right there, but yeah. So that's the brush I'm using. It has a little spoolie on this end, and then the defining part on this end. I begin by brushing out my brows up. I may have to do another video like this because yeah, I'm in a rush. Because once Groove gets here, he's gonna be like, baby, I'm gonna be done, hurry up, hurry up. I literally have no pen. You see that? What I'm working with right now? There's absolutely nothing there. I need to find my sharpener. I found one. Okay. I'm not putting on no eyeshadow or anything either today. It's just gonna be clear face, highlight if anything, bronzed. I might wear a bold lip just because it's late and I need to find some way to pop out. And guys, don't get alarmed if the milk magnesia starts to get white. That's what you want it to do. The concealer I use, I'm really a drugstore branded girl. I use the Pro, oh, that's upside down. The Pro Concealer. This thing is like $2–3. Very cheap. And I naturally have thick brows, so I just usually go with my natural shape. You will be able to see me. What I'm doing is just, I need to really look into the mirror. I don't have the best eyes, so I really need to look and see how I'm putting on my concealer. Other than that, I'm gonna look crazy. So you see how you put the line right underneath it, and then you drag down once that's done. But I highlight the top too. And usually it's just covered up with my foundation, so you won't see this highlighted glow over the brow. I hate that. But it's all a process. Because, you know, back in the day, I don't know, I used to think it was kind of cute. I don't know. Like, ooh, I filled my eyebrows in. Like, nobody need to know you filled your eyebrows in. You know, makeup is really something you learn. Like, it's something you really have to practice in order to really get it right. Because if not, you out there looking crazy. Like, I used to think my makeup was flawless until I realized, like, damn, Davina, what the heck were you doing back in the day? But it really is something that you have to practice at. Practice your craft, guys. Consistency is key. Oh yeah, and I'm definitely gonna try to be more consistent with these videos, because I'm sitting here talking about consistency is key. I can't even keep up with life itself. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely try my best to make sure that I put up more videos, because I do enjoy doing this. And it's always been something I always wanted to do. I just was very discouraged to do it because I didn't know what the turnout was gonna be like, but you grow up and you learn that you will be able to do whatever it is you put your mind to. The arch in my brows look totally different from each other, so I just gotta make sure that they somewhat resemble. But remember, your eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters. Where did I hear that? My sister told me. Like, what? But she's absolutely right about that. And then you just want to simply drag the concealer down, okay? So I'm taking it, and don't mind that the concealer is lighter than it's totally fine. Once I put my foundation and stuff, it was gonna blend out. So yeah. It also gives me that illumination that I feel like I just going to go get my brows done. So that's why I like using a lighter concealer, because nobody's like even toned. Unless you are like. So then I take my beauty blender and just make sure that there aren't any harsh lines right here. And then underneath I just pat them down, because I know it distributes the product. You see? You see that? But yeah, that's what my brows look like. That's how I do my brows. My brows are naturally thick, so they come out thick when I do them. Okay, foundation time. So not very big on foundation. I do about like 2 pumps or pump. The first pump didn't really come out, but that's how much I use. I take it on my finger like this, and just put dots all over my face. Here. Oh, I should have used my color corrector. Oh, whatever. Actually, I still can. I actually bought this color corrector the other day. It's from RK CNC Concealer. Right there. Yeah, focus, yeah. So I'm just gonna put them in like my little dark spots, like underneath, like right here in my eye, because I scratched this place up like crazy. Put that in there. That's it. That's it. It's just really around my eyes. Alright. If you wonder why I just dabbed down my chin, it's because the foundation got there, and I'm like, I might as well just use the product. So yeah, I take the foundation and spread it out.
Toots.
Don't touch me.
Let me kiss, baby. Makeup kiss.
You about to get in the shower?
How long is it gonna take you to be ready?
I'll probably be done soon. And just like that, my foundation is applied nice and evenly. So I go back with my Fawn foundation, concealer. The one I use to highlight my brows is in the color Fawn. Groove, I don't know. Doop. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, you want to highlight the parts under your eyes that are dark. That sinks in, and then that gives it that illumination that is more alive up. So yeah. I'll highlight your natural highlight. So you see right now that line right there on my nose, that's my highlight point. So I'm gonna actually just take this and put it right down it, right? Because that's where the light naturally hits. And then you see here, that's shining, that's where the light naturally hits. Then you see here, it naturally hits, but no, sorry. Naturally hits. Naturally hits. Naturally hits. That's good enough. Using the Beauty Blender. It has product on it because I used it earlier, but yeah. You always want to wash your Beauty Blender before using it on your face. You want to keep it damp and moist, because that's what helps the product distribute nice and even. You see? Now that that's done, I set all of my face. So I take this from the 3D Contour Artist Palette, Arcade also. I'm using this color right here. And a little bit of this. Actually, this. Oh yeah, this is these two right here. So this has a little bit of yellow, so bring it, brighten it out a little bit. And this here is more of my skin tone, and this is what I will use for like my face, but this will be my highlighted skin tone, if you get what I mean. So about this much product, I'm gonna take this brush.
Mr. B.